So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Hey guys, this is your girl TriniNatz and I am back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you pretty much my everyday look. This is how I get ready for work, for school, etc. We're starting off with moisturizer, guys. It is winter time and I always make sure to have my SPF moisturizer, alright? Next, we're going to do brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the color chocolate. And I'm just going to go ahead and complete my eyebrows regardless whether or not I'm going out. I always have to have my brows done. It's just like, it is what it is. Like, I need my brows done, all right? So that's what I'm about to go ahead and complete. After brows are completed, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up using my Colourpop concealer. And yeah, I'm just going to do a light conceal around my eyebrows just to make it look neat and to make it look, you know, make it look good. Because I still, like I said, I need my brows to be on point regardless of where I'm going. That is a must. For this step, I try to use a concealer shade that's closest to my actual shade, just so that when I blend it in, it'll blend into my skin color the best. As you're going to see coming up, I'm not going to be using foundation. I don't use foundation on a daily basis. So I need a concealer shade that's just going to blend right into my complexion. After brushing out those brows, allowing them to look as natural as possible, I'm going to go in with Kat Von D concealer in the shade D33 Warm. Again, I'm trying to use a concealer that is not too bright so that it can blend in, because this is an everyday look. So we're not going to be going in with contouring and blush and all those extra steps. So we want something that's just going to look as natural as possible. After I place down that concealer, I'm of course going to go ahead and blend it out with my beauty sponge. Funny part is sometimes at work my coworkers are like, girl, when do you have time to do your face in the morning? And I'm like, listen, this takes me less than 10 minutes in the morning, literally. Time you put on that concealer, you're pretty much done. Look at how it brightened up my face already. I'm almost ready to go out the door, okay? To set that, I'm going to be going in with my Spun powder, where I'm going to use a light hand and lightly brush it everywhere where I place my concealer. This is going to set my face in place, okay? Because we want this face to last for the entire work day, entire school day, or wherever you happen to be going, all right? Then I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with my L'Oreal powder in the shade C6 Soft Sable. This is going to help to even out the rest of my skin tone, being that I did not use a foundation for that step. And then it's also just going to give us a matte look. So even though it's every day, your girl likes to shine a bit. So I'm still going to go in and add a little bit of highlight to the high points of my face. I just like the way it looks. It makes me look like I have some life. Even those mornings when I do not want to get out of bed and take myself to work, I make sure to shine a little bit, give me a little extra oomph, okay? Then I'm just going to apply any lip gloss, any lipstick to my lips just to add some color to it. Nothing crazy. From time to time, I'll add a bit of mascara. This I may do maybe 3 times out the week, you know, whenever I'm feeling a little extra oomph, okay? So I'll just put a little bit of extra mascara just to, you know, give me a little length. Then I'm going to go ahead and mist my face with my rose water and glycerin spray. This is just going to help to melt all the products together and make it look as natural as possible so that it doesn't look all powdery, you know what I'm saying? And here you have it, you guys. This is the completed look. This probably takes me around 10 minutes to accomplish or less, definitely. I do not give myself that much time for makeup in the mornings. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love each and every one of you. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so as yet. Like, comment, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.